morning, I'm Mrs. Surla from Ghost Grill, and I'm going to cook chicken adobo with oyster sauce. Here are the ingredients: garlic, onion, soy sauce, and oyster sauce, a little bit bell pepper, and carrots, black pepper, and vinegar. The main ingredients is the chicken. First, you put some little bit oil and then saute garlic. Then the onion. Chicken. Just mix the chicken together with the garlic and onion to get the flavor. Wait for 5 minutes to put the other ingredients. Then we will put the soy sauce and the oyster sauce, black pepper, and then the vinegar. And little bit water. Then cover and simmer for 5 minutes. By the way, I'm not a professional chef. I was inspired by my mom. Now we're going to check the chicken if seasoning were blend all together. Now I'm going to put the final garnish, the carrots and the bell pepper. Now we will cover it again, then simmer for another 10 minutes. Now we are going to check if the chicken is tender. Now I wish you can smell the delicious taste. I think it's ready to serve. Now we are going to put in a serving dish. Here's now our chicken adobo with oyster sauce. Now it's ready to serve. This is Josie for PampangaTalents.com. See you on my next recipe.